Hey everyone, back again with another tech video. In this video, I'm gonna show you that how you can fix your issue. Issue is that your Facebook Marketplace not loading. So what's that problem? Why they cannot loading? So in this video, I'm gonna tell you that how they cannot loading and what the solution of that problem. Simply just follow the steps to fix your issue. Simply just go to the setting before going to your Facebook. Just tap on the settings and you have to make sure that you have a strong Wi-Fi connection. Also make sure that VPN is connected during that process. If you have a connected VPN, just disconnect it. After that, simply just go to the general section and just go to scroll it down and just find a software update. Just tap on that and just update the latest iOS version in your iPhone, maybe iPad. After scroll down and just find a VPN and device management section, just tap on that and just tap on a VPN and disconnect VPN from here. After doing all these steps, just like that, just again disconnect VPN from here. Just like that, delete VPN from that section. After doing that, just go to the transfer reset icon, just tap on that and just tap on the reset and the reset the network settings from here. They can reset all your network settings and after just connect with again your your Wi-Fi and just going to that settings and again go to Wi-Fi section and just connect with your VPN. Sorry, with your Wi-Fi. After doing all these steps, simply just go to the Facebook account, just like that, and just go to the profile section and just go in the profile section and just find a marketplace, just like that, and you see that it's working on my section just like that. So you have to just resolve that problem and just have to just doing that settings. I'm going to tell that in this video, so just have to do that and your all problem gonna solve. So many users facing issue because they connect with the VPN and they don't have a proper Wi-Fi connection. Also make sure that you have a proper Wi-Fi connection for going to the marketplace, and many users facing issue because they do that all the problems which I'm going to tell that because they don't have a good Wi-Fi connection. Also they connect with the VPN. So make sure that you don't do that before going to the marketplace of Facebook. So make sure the video is for you, and you have to make sure that you just have the like our video and subscribe our channel for more tech related videos.